I'm in Johnnywood, which is a National Trust property near Borrowdale, north of Derwentwater, and it's a piece of temperate rainforest, mixed deciduous woodland, predominantly oak, but they're quite stunted because of all the boulders, these lovely mossy covered boulders here. But I've seen holly, there's a young holly tree there, and hazel along there, sycamore. So besides oak there are other things. Not long established oaks these, so not a great deal of epiphytic growth on the limbs, but they're getting there and it's very lovely.